friends, today we are learning how to calculate debit credit in Excel. Okay, so now I show you how to calculate. First you open your Excel file, Excel go. I already submitted here my data, and you fill here your serial number, your date, which time you buy, which time you purchase, which time you sell, that dates, your particular, your debit, credit. And now I teach you how to calculate automatically total amount. Okay, so first see here, there is a purchase laptop in 50,000. So always you remember, purchase item is always put in debit. Another one, see, purchase mobile in 35,000, so put in debit. And in this date, sales bike, sales always put in credit, because sales is your income. When you sell, after you receive money, so income always put in credit. We sell a bike for this amount, so I put many of data here. Now I teach you how to calculate the debit and credit, your income and your outgoing money. First, you put here which one is the amount first. Here 50,000. So the formula is equal. You click in 50,000 and enter button first. Then you use a formula from here. Now I apply a formula, is equal to if open bracket and open bracket, then you put this value in debit value is equal to double inverted comma, single comma, then you put this value, credit value, then is equal to double inverted comma, close bracket, single comma, then double inverted comma, again single comma, then you put this value, this total of first of the total value, then plus this one, this value, because we calculate this one add, this one decrease, so now minus this value, then close bracket, enter button. See this one, 50,000 and 35,000 is equal to 85,000. Now make it like this. See, the amount is automatically easy. The amount is automatically coming here. Suppose if I erase here the amount, see, sales back, how much? 15000. Enter here, automatically is coming your result here. If suppose purchase bag in 2000, then enter button, see your result is coming here like this. Okay, then you put your amount here, you get a result automatically here. Then now you calculate here, the formula is equal to open bracket is equal to sum open bracket, then you select this one all, then close bracket, enter button. Same here, you apply the formula is equal to sum open bracket, select close bracket, enter. Then you calculate here total. Same formula you can use here, is equal to sum open bracket and this amount minus this amount, close bracket and enter. Here is a apply a black color, so it is not showing. Now I change the color. Yeah, you can see here. You can also change your color from here. In every where you can want to change, you can change here. Okay, thank you.